Hello my friends, my name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and today we are on a marine survey. I'm with Steve Clady. He's from South Florida Marine Surveyors.
Surveyors such as Steve Clady examine boats to assess, monitor, and report on their condition. After a boat goes under contract, it usually is subject to a survey. It is highly recommended for a survey to be done when purchasing a boat. I'd say a survey has three major parts to it. Number one, the overall inspection of the boat, meaning going through the entire boat above and below deck and doing a full systems check on everything. Number two, the sea trial, checking the overall performance of the boat and the engines. Number three, the haul out, checking the bottom of the boat, which is referred to as the hull. This is to determine the condition of the fiberglass laminates. With a complete survey report, you'll be able to make a more responsible decision on your next vessel purchase. My name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and my goal is to give you the boat knowledge you need so you can buy, sell, and have fun boating. You can always connect with me through phone, email, or any of my social media channels. I'll see you on the water. You've earned it.